Hello everybody, and welcome to our very first home vlog. And guys, I'm so happy right now. Look what we just woke up to. It's snowing. So I didn't exactly predict it to snow today, so I don't know what we'll do. Maybe go in the snow. Guys, look how snowy the park is. It looks like some other kids have already been here and made some snowballs. You've got a few scattered around the park, but there is legit nobody here right now. It's kind of empty. But it's nice, because then we get the whole park to ourselves with all this lovely snow. The majority of it's melted now, though. There's not many people walking around here. Like, we've been walking around for about 5 or 10 minutes now. It's quite a nice day. Like, the sky is quite grey, but obviously it's been snowing and it's raining at the moment. Not heavy, but good enough to get rid of all the snow. Because this whole area that you see behind me was covered earlier with snow, and now it's pretty much empty. And for a main road area, there's not many cars here. Like, this bit isn't the main road, but the main road bit comes out of there, so all the people that live along this bit coming off the main road. But this bit isn't as busy as the other areas we've walked around, because we're just walking around the estate, because there's not many places we can go at the moment, obviously, so that's why it's a home vlog. Look how foggy these fields are. It's quite nice though at the same time, because I don't know why, but it reminds me of the Lion King. I really don't know why. Guys, this is so nice. The fog just looks so nice with the white on the snow on the ground. And you can actually see the trains come along just by this bit, which is amazing. Oh, look. There's a lady walking. There's a train coming. Oh, that's awesome. I did not expect one to come after me. Wow. I just can't stress to you guys how nice. I'm not going to go too over because I don't want to drop my phone down there. But this looks so nice right now. Sun's beaming down. It's so nice. Guys, you can see all of the houses. It is so nice. We just walked up those stairs. And this lovely trainway, which is opposite to the one I just showed you, is just like, you can't really see down that end bit on camera or in real life. Like, it just reminds me of a scene from Harry Potter, you know, when they all arrive and they're on the train. You know that snowy scene? I think I've got that right. Maybe it's one of the later films, I'm not too sure. Oh! Damn it! Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so, as you saw from that rushed kind of bit there, we were just messing around, you know, looking at some of the other houses nearby, and we missed the train! Ah! We were so close though. I think I got it moderately on you know, on the right kind of bit. So hopefully you guys saw that. I hope you did, because that was awesome. That was really awesome seeing it come out there. But it came so quickly, like so quickly. That was amazing. Can't wait to see the next one. Okay, so we just moved down from that bit up there, only because the train is much nicer around this bit. So it's just there's another train. I nearly got it. So close. Okay, so we're moving away from the train bit now. No more snowballs. We're just going to have another walk around the estate. See, whoa. Wow. That is a lot of snow. That's amazing. Look how nice this bit of snow looks. With the footprints, and let's see how deep it is. Let's do a deep test. It's not too deep, but it's fairly deep. I've just ruined it. Okay, throw a snowball at me. It's not too deep, and I've kind of ruined it now, but it's quite nice. Oh yeah, there's dog prints as well. Guys, early this morning, it doesn't look like it now, but this was all white. Like, there was no grass. You couldn't see anything. It was all white, and it was lovely. Because of the rain we had a bit earlier, we had a bit of rain, so the majority of it's gone now, but there's still a bit left. It's not too deep, moderately deep. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video today. That was our first, like, home vlog, and I said it would come out Saturday, and it came out today, which is Saturday. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video, and hopefully stay tuned for some more videos. See you next time.